Hey guys, it's now 9:30. Alright, let's see what we got in the markets this morning. Alright, we have oil whipping around. Opening range, reasonably large. Tapping. Looking for that return to the 42s. Then I push to the upside. If we don't get it, that's the only place we'll be buying today. 52 42s to 45s with the maximum or titties to the low side. So this is off your London kill zone. No air stops behind structure. On the ES side, we tapped on the 94s this morning. We tapped on the 68s last night. If you watched any of the trade plans, you would have known I was sitting on 68s for a bit. Didn't get quite in on live. Hopefully the stream holds out today. I don't know how well it will hold out. Some stuff going on in the background. Had to deal with my guys this morning very early. But my trade alerts was like I thought it was an ambulance in my house. Because of the oil news, like wake up like, no, what's going on? I already got stopped out on my live account, so uh, the world falls apart sometimes. So let's see what's going on in the market now. So we're looking at this 29 to 29. So we in this range here. We could sell as low as 98s, 28, 98s, or sell off the deviation. We adjusted to sell off the deviation. Looking to see what goes on. Optimum time will be we're looking for a bounce to the upside. So what we had overnight was this. So we know why we selling at that price. We know why the potential was here at the 94s. So let's see what our active profile is. Profile is on bullish side. Reach about this level a whole week. So you should know what we did there on our live account. We had one aggressive entry on our singles. Oil is up 3.4%. I think it topped off at 4.1 or 4.2% this morning. So we're looking at the London open range really. A decision why we look to enter right here. Tomorrow will be rolls, so we monitoring the ESM, ESU, looking at what the rollover process look like, look at the difference in quotes. If you look at the ESU chart, you might get a key to something. The 98s we were looking to sell last night, right there. Can't trade this chart as yet though. On the open market you could, on top step you can't. So more than likely, I might be doing a video. Hopefully, I'll be finished by Sunday to do that video, which is more or less a walkthrough on how we're looking at top step and with potential strategy. So what is on the putting it together video is just the basics on how we trade. We go into detail on looking at what your cost analysis is for doing it. I'm not picking up bills, nope, not as yet on oil. Need to add my modes of deviation, volume based, delta, save. So we add in some significant contracts. We lost 2,000 contracts, market did not move. We add in 2,500, 2,400 at this point on the delta side. Be cautious, sell at 94. Roll over there. Might be excited. If you're on if you're in the open market and you have the U contract available, if you're looking to sell, don't sell the M contract, sell the U contract. If you're always looking for that 94 on the M contract, and that's exactly a reason right there. And you can see something that we had labeled out. That was labeled since way back when. So technically we're on the wrong contract for trading the ES. No, you're on the right contract. But traders are looking at also at that contract. The bigger boys who roll it over are looking at that contract very closely this morning. We have guys, I think saying Sean, Dan is one of those guys that probably still trades rollovers. I know he probably used to do that from bit days being a runner. But trading rollovers does create a lot of opportunity. I don't have a lot of experience, so I don't want to get into talking about some stuff that do really have a lot of experience in. There's a spread between contract to contract. You look at what the spread is, what is the coupon discount on rolling over. Just getting some absorption on oil. You can see how thick the profile is when it gapped up. It was more or less a run to the upside. So more or less you see like POC just drop to the down the low end if we do get filled, and then we would look at what the market is doing. So you can see we trading constantly away from the VWAP. Build some distance, consolidate. Alright, so we will be doing is trading it like this. Sell one at 98. Guess where stop loss is. Sell one of the deviation. So this is strategy that we use. Right, so we will be having two contracts on the short end today. More or less this will be mirroring live account. So implementing this today, right? I'll look for the home run of the live account while live manage that. Look for the early entry at 98s if we do get filled on either. We become average entry, both of them trailing stops. Here's the entry and trailing stops. It allows me to get in the market a bit earlier and have limited stops. You can see where U contract is. That is your optimum for selling on a U contract. It's not fair. It is automatically transfer over, so more or less we're looking for a pump and dump situation. Have a lagging entry if we do get blown out of the water. So be it. Made our decision, know where we can sell, know where the ban is, the kill zone ban is, if you're looking for confirmations and entries, that's your kill zone ban there. Does nothing. I'll find a lot of price acceptance right there. So we'll be fully loaded if we have, more or less fully loaded if we have 3 contracts running, or the initial risk will be 300 by 700. which is $1,000 risk if all three contracts are active at the same time. Based on our rules and our money management, that is acceptable if we have all three contracts running at the same time, which more than likely wouldn't be the case. So what the 98 sell is set for is the 7.51 to 1 with a trailing stop. We'll have to live manage the 2900. Oh, it's set at 29.25. I want to get a round number in. If I do get breakout, make sure my stop for the second contract is beyond this second node here, and the initial stop is at or beyond first node. Hopefully my stream would survive today. Now what we're gonna do is, when we go in depth into stop, step, and stop, is more or less going through how our take on trading is and what we're looking at in trading, and because we tend to not be too aggressive. This is not a get rich scheme, it's just about getting leverage in the market. 96.5, not interested, just came off lower end of the band. Timing does not agree. That's the node right there we identified. I want to see a bit of price acceptance here now, so this is where timing becomes important. I want to see a little more. Oops. I'll go into cumulative delta back. Sorry. You see, delta isn't moving yet, so we could see what is the reason for that. Tapped it right there. Wish I could trade that on top step. Just trying to follow their rules. We're in a small high position on the outside. So if you have your own equity portfolio, there's a potential entry, 2900. It's rollover there, so see what the roll looks like so far. 16%. Oil should have been popping. Right, come to Papa. Now you want to place I'm gonna look to buy today. Peru gets stopped out. Trade failed. Have a small volume spike. What we looking at? Now we have to understand it's okay being wrong in trading. Just make sure that you can cover your trades and your losses and use proper money management. One of your pillars are trading, proper money management. I will need to update my log at some point today. Might do it after I finish the stream. Speaking about that, on chart. Got more or less run over last night on the initial trade. Which was at the 80s. Let's change this to 1 minute chart to see exactly what we're looking like in volume. We're looking for, make sure we protect the stop here. That's your node right there. Ticket TV is coming towards it. Well, it coming towards VWAP, sorry. I want to see that collision right there at VWAP before you take trade because we're on point of control, live point of control. Where's the balloon? With 48 so far. want to see 10 o'clock before I even active that trade. Let me start to think about it. So you can see we're looking at maximum risk of 30 with a maximum initial reward of 50 ticks. On the trade that could change to a 1-to-1. If you're aggressive, you could enter at 50s. Though want to be that aggressive at this point. This is what you call fighting FOMO. Fear of missing out on the trade. Took me a long while to learn. Do not fear. Allow most the market to come to you. If you miss by one tick. Miss by one tick. While it's very finicky and it pushes through and double tests and stuff. And using trailing stops. It's a little bit difficult, but I trade using them. Alright, I'm just gonna get some coffee. Probably missed. Yep. We got a 0 was 48. You can see what it was there. sit on our hands in the market this morning. What I do want to do is get in a trail right here. See now what I request. Sorry. So we're pulling the trigger at 90 poise. Looking for a 10 and reversion. See initial bounce. Now resistance right on after PSC we on a node. We move the 98s to 94s. Have a single with that trailing. We do a breakout, we have a backup trade. So it stops about 2900. Looking pretty low. The movie got there's a dip to the downside to the 68. Look pretty nice towards. So it's all about decision making, looking at what the market is doing. Looking at the fade to the downside. I would have thought to get in right here. More than likely we should be tapping the uphill. Know that we have daily high protection and initial protection above. That part of the reason is this 2900 hit on the contract. On the new contract, sorry, which will be active tomorrow. Looking at node, the entry, active value area. You know, that is what we were looking for. As a partial entry, the active zone. Let's give this more or less this will be 2 star based on roughly 3 out of 5. Damn it. It's on right around it. So with a confirmation trigger, that is a confirmation candle right here. Thus we would not accept that sort of as we looking for our entries. And that boom, there goes the oil. Expect that rejection coming through. Just no luck on pills this morning. Monitoring multiple markets causes that. You're looking at 10 AM right here. Right there. What is like about 50 seconds late.